Hello students, today we have seen class 7th English chapter number 3.4. Please don't read this poem. All questions and answers. Have you ever been told not to do certain things? Did you stop doing that immediately or did you continue to do some anyway? Make a list of your don'ts in group of 5. Discuss the list and complete the following table. Answer is list of don'ts. Stop doing it. Tried it. Did it anyway. Don't talk lie. Don't rush into it. Don't eat junk food. Don't be aggressive. Allow others to speak. Don't watch TV all time. When you write something or paint something or make something, do you want others to see it? Discuss the reasons for your answer. Answer is yes. When we write something or paint something or make something, we want to show them others because we know that everyone will appreciate us for what we have made. Everyone want to hear appreciation. English workshop. Question number 1. Present any two stanzas of the poem using proper intonation. Students, do it yourself. Question number 2. Find the pairs of rhyming words used in each stanza. Answer is me, see, play, away, nice, twice, line, mine, stop, cough, jail, frail, miss, exist, fun, done, two. Question number 3. Think and answer. A. The poet is telling someone not to read the poem. Who is that someone? Answer is that someone is everybody who reads the poem. B. What did you feel when you read the line, please don't read this poem? Answer is I feel tempted to read the poem more and more. C. Does the poet really want you to stop reading the poem? Answer is no, the poet doesn't want the reader to stop reading the poem. D. What does the poet mean when he says, tell all your friends and family they shouldn't read it too? Answer is the poet wants us to tell our friends and family also to read this poem. E. What situation the following lines remind you of? Put the poem down now and slowly back away. Answer is it reminds me the situation when the cops warn the criminals to put their guns down and slowly get back away. Question number 4. Decide whether the following things are right or wrong. Give reasons for your answer. A. Reading someone else's letter. Answer wrong because it is their personal belonging. B. Reading someone else's diary. Answer is wrong because it contains all their personal information. C. Looking at the keyboard when someone is typing a password. Answer is wrong because it is their secret code and made for them only. D. Eavesdropping, listening to other people's conversation without their knowledge. Answer is wrong because these are bad manners to hear other people's conversation without their knowledge. E. Trying to get someone's address, phone number, email ID without their knowledge. Answer is wrong. It is also a crime if it is done intentionally to misuse them. Question number 5. Read the lines given in the table. Discuss what they mean and when they might be used. Then use your imagination and name situations which these lines may be used by different speakers. Answer is lines. Just move along now. There's nothing here to see. Situation. People gathering to watch a fight between two brothers. Speaker. A friend of the two brothers who is trying to stop the fight tells the people. I have asked you once politely. Don't make me ask you twice. Situation. A young boy is demanding money for buying junk food to his father. Speaker. Father is warning him not to ask money for this purpose. This isn't yours, it's mine. Situation. Two students are quarreling over the possession of a ruler in the class. Speaker. One of the students tells this to the other. If you don't quit this instant, I swear I will call a cop. Situation. A bully goon is the threatening a person for no cause. Speaker. The person who was threatened tells the bully. Lines. It is too late now. Situation. A patient dies before doctor's arrival. Speaker. A family member tells the doctor. Here's what you will have to do. Situation. A person asks for a solution to his problem. Speaker. The person's friend tells him. Question number 6. Add one or two lines before or after the lines given below to prepare a short dialogue. It's only meant for me. Answer is a child. Will you please allow me to use your bat? His friend. No, sorry, it's only meant for me. Next, that isn't very nice. Answer is father. What are you doing with the dog? Mina, I am pulling its tail. I like it. Father, don't do it. That isn't very nice. The dog might bite you. Next, you really have to stop. Answer is a boy. Want two more laddus, mother? Mother, you already have eaten four. You really have to stop. Next, there's only one solution. Answer is Nita. My friend Rani is not talking to me. Brother, what for? Nita, I quarrel with her. Brother, there's only one solution. Go and say sorry to her and make friends with her again. Question number 7. Find all contracted forms used in the poem. Answer is it's, that's, theirs, I am, you, isn't, don't, you are, I will, he will, want, poems, hairs, you will, shouldn't. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, इझी सोल्युशन क्लासेस चॅनलवर सर्व विषयांचे स्वाध्याय अपलोड करत आहोत. चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा आणि सोप्या भाषेतील स्वाध्याय अभ्यासा. थँक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.